Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and we are going to do some more swatches today for Modelones Lifu. This is a new collection of gel glitters and there's 6 of them in here, but I wanted to show you how they come packaged. So this is a set that it's available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. And I do want to point out, if you notice here now, the new name of Lifu, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, along with Modelones, and this is because they now have a water-based collection of regular polishes. Here they are. I have reviewed these before. I will have the link down in the description bar below so you guys can go check out that video. But yes, as I said, these are non-toxic, water-based, regular polishes that they do peel off. So I'll have that link down below. Back to the gels. This is how they come packaged, and so this is just a wrap around with a sponge. It comes with a pamphlet here on preparation and how to use ingredients, etc., and then your nifty little stickers. But on these bottles, I do not use them because, let me show you. Okay, let's take these out. These bottles do have a little window here. You're taking a peek at what this color is. So it has a little window here indicating the color. I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the packaging. Okay, so here are all 6 of them. So again, this is the Diamond Nail Gel collection because they're all glitters. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the swatches on these tips, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here they all are up close. Let me show you. These are so gorgeous. Okay, I've already gone ahead and finished them with a gel top coat. Look at that ruby red. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And now I'm actually looking through on my camera, and yeah, there seem to be some micro holographic glitters in there. It's not just the red, but absolutely gorgeous. This pink right here, this is okay, so 2 coats for all the colors. This pink right here, so it has a combination of some chunky glitter and some micro glitter there, and this is with two coats. It has a clear base, but it seems pretty solid, so it seems you could wear it by itself. The gold, it has more chunky glitter, no hollow in there. It's a true gold glitter with also with a clear base. This is 2 coats, so this one, if you do 3 coats, if you don't mind, let's see. And with the top coat, I don't feel any chunkiness. I mean, it feels a little bit textured, or I should say, you know, not like completely smooth as if it were to be a cream polish or something. But I will use this more as a topper, as well as this one. So this one is more, it has also a clear base, but it has some multicolored chunky glitters there, as well as some purple micros. These 2 right here, look how gorgeous. These could be you could wear these on their own. very good coverage for these two without a base. So this is a pretty true silver. Right there it is. And then this one, the pink, very pretty with some, you can see some holographic micro glitter in there. Check them out. Now, I went ahead and I did these three. Let me flip this wheel around. So here they are as toppers. This is the purple and the gold over black. One coat over black, since they have a clear formula, and then the pink that also has a clear formula, I put it over a pink, but I did two coats, so it's kind of like to cover the gaps in there because it has a clear formula. But absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these scream party. Okay, so there you have it. Another great collection by Modelones, available on Amazon. I will have the link down below. If you have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I did cure them for 30 seconds under my UV LED 48 watt lamp, and they did really well. They do require a base coat and a top coat. Okay, I would like to thank Modelones for sending me these beautiful gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.